To another video. Today I'm going to be drawing a plague doctor. So, first we're going to need a scrap piece of paper. Here we go. That's what we can use. And lay that down there. So, I know what I'm doing because I've already drawn two plague doctors. Here's one of them. I'm going to teleport my other one in here real quick for you guys to see. Okay, so there it is. And now I'm going to draw another one. I got two Sharpies because one is running out of ink. But you need to draw like the the hat first. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw the hat for you guys. Okay, so I've went ahead and drawn the hat. So now we need to draw the back of the head here. And it's not just the back of the head, it's like it's the torso connecting to the legs. And then you'll need to draw an arm over here, but we're not doing that first. First we draw the beak, the top part of the beak, and then we'll draw the bottom part. Okay, so I went ahead and I've drawn the top and the bottom of the beak. And then you want to connect the mask up into the hat. Like that. Then we're going to draw the eye on there. And there we go. And I drew the little goggle hinge thingamabob or whatever. That thing in between the glasses and then the goggles on the plague doctor mask. And now I need to draw the little part where the robe ends, where the hood kind of comes up off of the robe or whatever that is, but it gets wrinkled a little bit. And there it is. I made the little thing that goes on your neck on the robe. It's like a scarf kind of thing, I think, or like a hood kind of thing. And I drew that now. Now let's draw the inside of the hat. Okay, now I've drawn the inside of the hat. What you want to do, well, I mean, you don't have to do this, but I think it makes it look better, is just fill that up with black because it would be really dark in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And maybe shade the hat in a little bit too. Okay, so now we can go ahead and just draw the other shoulder and arm. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but I'm pretty good at drawing these guys already, so it should be pretty good, nothing to worry about. Okay, so I just drew one arm. Now I'm gonna shade it in and give it kind of a shadow look. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna draw the cane. It's just a stick, so not that hard. Pretty simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I know it looks like a battle axe, but you get the drill. It's wings. And now I'm gonna try to draw the other arm. Okay, I drew the other arm and I connected it down to and I connected like the rest of the robe down to the hand there. Now I'm going to draw the rest of the rober's dress or skirt or whatever you want to call it. It's a robe, but I'm going to draw the rest of that. Make it like wrinkly fabric, kind of.